The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention. This is a contagious disease warning. If you hate Mexicans or like walls at the boundaries of the United States, head to a hospital when possible. A new non-lethal disease is spreading. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this non-lethal disease. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention. The disease described earlier this afternoon has been cured. As this is a minor disease, it was cured easily. If you are infected, head to a hospital. Repeating, the disease was cured.